Hello guys, Ivan speaking. We are trading, as you see, with Xturbo Scalper version 3, but this time I want to show you also M1 time frame. And by the way, all of you which will need M1 settings or template, just send me mail, you will get it for free, of course. So M1 is for those which maybe want more trades, something more trades per day, because on M15 maybe or M5 you'll have maybe only a few per day, and some of you said it's not enough. For me it's enough, but okay, this is M1. We have a live trade on GBP USD. You see we are in the money for $14-15. We trade only with 0.25 lot size, and trailing stop is opened to protect our profit. So in this case we cannot anymore lose. It's only question how much we'll make. If it reach this level, it will make 20 euros. If it goes back, we make minimum 5.31 euro. You see it going down, and it will close the trade very soon. So that's how it used. I will now reply to some questions that I'm asked often, and really guys, I cannot reply to hundreds of emails non-stop quickly, so it's better than to reply to all of you. I'm always explaining all these tips, all your questions in my videos. So please watch my videos always to see how to do something and how to use it, how to set up it, and so on. The second thing, all of you which got it on Thursday, this Xturbo Expert Advisor on Thursday, and maybe some of you in the morning of Friday, I informed in my YouTube that one file was with license was wrong. I made mistake, I'm sorry. I put wrong license. So if you haven't got a new file, please contact me on my email. You will get a new one, and you will just replace one file. It's question of only one file, not of all files, but just one. So if you haven't received it, I try to send to all, but always, you see, sometimes I forgot, and so sorry if you didn't get. Next thing is, what are you asking me about what currency pair? As I explained in last videos, I use mainly GBP USD as it showed me the best results in last few months in testing and also in live trading. So I think it's really enough. If you are patient, use only one currency pair. You can use on M1 to get more trades, or M5 or M15, which I recommend. And you will be getting trades. Do not be impatient. Sometimes market is quiet. There are not big movements and there are no trades. This is not a system which will make you 20-50 trades per day. Sometimes you will have maybe 5, even 6, 10, but sometimes maybe only 1 or 2. It depends about market. If you want, I can make expert advisor, we should take 100 trades per day, but what is the purpose of this? If you want to use maybe more currency pairs, I will recommend you Euro USD. You see, this trade was finished and it won. It was a winning trade. I suppose advise that you use Euro USD maybe, and with 2 pairs it's really enough. If you want more pairs, you can use it. It's not problem, but please consider how much money you have and how much risk you will take here. So you see, money management is not enabled here. I trade here with fixed lot size, but if you want to trade, let's see, with risk percentage, you put it on true and then make risk, let's say 2%, which is safe, conservative risk percentage. So if you lose one trade, you can lose only these 2%. But imagine that you have 2 pairs with also these settings. So if you have 2 trades, you can lose 2 times 2%. So you are risking 4%. Imagine that you have 5 pairs and you will have 5 trades, you risk 10%. So it's all calculation about your risk calculation, how much you want to risk at the same time. My advice is, if you use maybe 3 pairs or 4, that here put risk 1% only. So you risk altogether 3% or 4. But if you trade only with one GBP USD, you can even go with higher risk if you want to be quicker in making money, but not more than 5%. This is the limits I will advise, between 1 and 5%, up to you. So in this case, with 5%, you will risk in any trade about $50–60. So to blow up your account, you will need here to lose 20 trades in a row or 20 trades in a row without any winning to blow it up. But if you use 2%, your risk is very low. You will need 50 trades with $1,000 to blow up your account. So it's all about you. And if you trade with risk percentage, I will put here, let's say now 4%. This is 4% of this. And when you are going to win some trades, the 4% will be in next trades always higher. Let's say you win 10 trades after 7 days and you have here $1,200. Then 4% is not anymore, let's say $40, it's $50. And after 1 month, maybe you will have here $2,000. Then 4% is $80. And your lot size is increasing with increasing of your balance. Your lot size also is increasing, and your winning trades or winning profit is higher and higher and higher. And as longer you keep it like that, you will then, after 2 or 3 months, you will be getting such results which I showed in my previous videos. Then compounding system is going to work for you. Let's say in 2 months you will have maybe here $10,000, and each trade it will be lot size maybe 10, and in each trade you will make $500, and so on. Only in that way, in 3-4 months you can make $100,000, but you do not, then you cannot withdraw your money, you do not touch these settings, just let it go 3-4 months or 5, it depends about market, depends about your balance. Only then you will make big amounts of money. If you do not want to trade like this, you can use a fixed lot size here, let's say lot size of 0.25 or lot size of 0.25, and you will make each trade you win about $25–30. If you have 2 or 3 or 5 per day, it will be $100 to $200 per day, but always the same. There is no increasing. So you have two ways: lot size fixed amount, or risk percentage, which depends about balance. Of course, it depends also about take profit and stop loss level, which you also can change here, but I do not recommend it. Sorry for that noise. My neighbor is doing something in apartment, I don't know what, but very noisy. So, what else you have asked? Yes, you have asked if the Scalper expert advisor will take 2 trades at the same time. No. If we have 1 trade here with GBP USD, it will not open any other until this will be finished. This is normal, this is the best way. Strategy tester. Strategy tester is never reliable. It's not good for expert advisors. If we have only 1 indicator to test on strategy tester, then you can rely maybe 70% to 75% that results from history are correct, and you can see that this can work very good. But with expert advisor, especially with this, with many elements, with money management, with trailing stops, and all other settings which are behind the scene, which you cannot see, strategy tester is not doing this accurately. The results may be very good, but it doesn't mean anything for the future. So strategy tester is good, but you cannot rely on it. Sometimes it works good, sometimes on some other broker it's different. Please test the same settings on 3 different brokers. The same time, same settings, you will get all different, very different results. So the best way is, when you buy expert advisor, you get 2 licenses. 1 license used for demo account and 1 for real account. So then try with different time frames, different currency pairs on demo, at least 2 weeks. At least 2 weeks. Recommendation is 1 month. Then you will see what is the best for you, what time frame, what currency pair, what settings, and then go to real account according to the results of demo, and then you will make safe money, because this is the only test which will give you confirmation. Forward trading, so try it in live now. Now it's important how the market is doing. Now we get trade here and we won, and this is what you can test. And if you see the GBP USD M1, you have, I don't know, 5 trades and 5 or 4 winning per day that you make money, $100, $200 per day. Then you use it on the live account. You can try, as I said, Euro USD or some other pairs. It's important only that are the most important pairs, not any. So Euro USD, Australian dollar, USD JPY, Canadian dollar, American dollar, Swiss franc, American dollar, this one, New Zealand dollar, gold. These are the most important for this, and this, what you see here, these are working the best. But far away the best, according to my trading history, is GBP USD. And at the end also, please check the news. Please check the news always, and avoid to trade if we have a high impact news. So only high impact news can be dangerous for trading here, and if you can avoid it at least 30 minutes before, and do not trade even 30 minutes after the news until the market go to the normal level again. So I hope I tried to explain some things to help, but at the end, as any other system in Forex, you must be patient, you must follow what I have said, and you do not expect in 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 1 month that you will be a millionaire. You must keep it for months, and then you will see results. Profit is growing. Depends what settings and what money management you will use, of course. More risk, fixed lot size, risk percentage, or as I explained before. So guys, I hope I helped, and see you in next video. Bye bye.